Hey everyone, welcome to a 2-Minute Tuesday. In this one, I want to show you how we can create interactive graphs like this one and an option on how we can host it, all under 2 minutes. Let's jump right in. Getting started, since we want to host this graph at a URL, what I'll do is create a Flask app and then we'll use WayScript X to host it. We're doing this all inside of a WayScript layer. So if we want to create a Flask app, what we can do is select New File and then use app.py to create that Flask server. In this example, we're creating this interactive graph with a service called Plotly. So I'll import that and then create the graph using a little bit of logic. The code to get this working looks something like this. And this will be linked down below too if you want to copy it. But all we're doing essentially is we're setting up a Flask app, and then when someone goes to our home page or our index, then what we're doing is we're creating a graph that we're writing to a templates directory called graph.html. Then we render that graph. So the idea here, although this data set is static, is that you can connect a different data source that might have changing data in it, and then every time a user goes to this path, we'll recreate that graph and give the freshest graph to the user. To get this working all the way, we'll need this directory, and we'll need to be sure to set up the requirements that has these imports in it. We'll say new folder. This will be templates, and then we'll need a file called requirements.txt. In this file, we'll just have our dependencies, which are these. We'll make sure to save both of these. And now we've already built the Flask application that creates the graph for us. The last step is to use the power of WayScript X and host this on a URL. And we can do that by using the .triggers file to the left and select new triggers. From here, we'll choose deployment. And in these blanks, our command to run will look like this. So Flask run, set a port, and then declare our host. And then our port will be the same number as this. Perfect. So we have this up and working. Now the last step is to just view it. So we'll click on this URL that we're provided and go and check out our brand new graph, which we have here. In 2 minutes, hopefully that shows you how to connect a data source, how we can use WayScript X, and how we can set up a simple Flask server to render that information. If you have any questions, please let us know and we'll be happy to help you. Until next time.